This is where I sit and work some of the days when the days are better. And when the summer comes, outdoors, I cook some meat over here and I sit down and actually work, looking at the Beckton Park for the greenery. In this video, I want to share something for some of my connections, some of my people who are actually, you really wanna, you have the skill set. I see a lot of my close friends, they have the skill set, they have an expertise, but they're not doing it enough, right? Just imagine your future, because like if you look at the future, what's going to come, it's going to be really good. Robots are going to be out to do a lot of your hard work that you think you need to be doing. So you got to be ahead, that you can do something like operating the robot, prompting the robot, actually programming the robots. They're going to be even smart. If you think like these robots, when I was actually researching about today, like these robots are going to be able to drive, do your shopping, do your cooking, do your cleaning, even come and sit down in your laptop and actually work. So the only way we can be with our life experiences, the meat is cooking, the meat is making the noise. So I'll just show you. So I'm making a little bit of meat here. So that is what's actually cooking. That's a titanium the cookware which I use, because it's really healthy to use a titanium pot to make the meat, which is some turkey. And so yeah, all those things, even that kind of a thing, the robots are going to be able to do, I think, and start doing that. But if you look at the next 5 years, say, be prepared for 2030. If you want to be ahead and have a sense of control of your life and have a fulfillment as well, I really recommend start learning, because I started really getting most of my stuff who are like passionate, the AI tools, the paid versions. I was like, learn it, let's get better, let's actually try to learn how these are working so that we can get the jobs done much faster, plus do something better and be ahead of the game. We are building applications. Time Tide came up to the market within very fast. Web hosting.app, cloud hosting server applications, all those things plus more. And even another direct dine is coming for the restaurants by Kasun. He's been on attack, the boy is learning. So if you also one of these people who actually willing to learn, and if you're one of my connections, if you're maybe also in London, I welcome you. I want you to get to come. We have the podcast studio here as well to record content, sit down, maybe work. But of course, you got to be a person who's willing to train. I can only hang out with people who are willing to train, willing to play, willing to do some lifting, because that's the vibe I resonate with. So if you're one of those people, you're invited. And anything, if you're a business owner, you're trying to build a business, you're a freelancer, you want to take that idea to launch it online, get it the ball rolling, those things, all those things, we have solutions. I have my team to solve it. I can help. I'm a person who's been teaching people to build websites, get online, do digital marketing, SEO, paid ads, all those kind of things I used to do back in the days. That was 15 years ago. That's how I got started as a freelancer in London. So these got me the opportunity to live in London, do business in London, have a sense of control of the life in London, and actually enjoy London much better. So if you're one of those passionate people, and if you're around in London, I invite you to come join. And I'm looking for people who are willing to do podcasts with me on a weekly basis. And if you have a topic, if you have a story, you want to sit down and have a general discussion, we do it in the podcast studio. We record things, we create content, we run through your problems, any help that you need to fine tune your website. Even today, one of the bloggers in London, we are fine-tuning her website to make it really better using my developers. No one is working closely on making it passionate. Like really, if you're a business owner but you're stuck with some of the things, your website is not good, you want to launch it, you want to get it to the market better, you want to do SEO, you want to do Facebook ads, marketing, video creations, you want some of those solutions, ClickDo has those solutions. So hit me up if you want to join. I'm looking forward to a lot of people and hosting some of the people as well. We train in the Beckton Park, we bake some good meat, and we overall live a much better life. So it's just a talk that I want to flow through for people. If you have a passionate idea, because I see some of those news that unemployment is on the rise, youth unemployment is on the rise, youngsters in London are not having an opportunity to get a job in London. Just